Class 8 Hallo Deutsch, Modul 6, Lesson 1. Wo ist Tina? Hi, this is Lalita from Super German Academy. Wo ist Tina means where is Tina? It means that where is Tina sitting or where is Tina standing. So for this you will learn in this lesson different halt places like railway station, bus stop, bank, restaurant and many other places. Then ist, steht, sits, verbs, prepositions, example sentences using these places, verbs and prepositions. Then few product names you will learn. Then places where to buy these products. Then kaufen verb. Make your own sentences. I have given here few example question and answers. Then wissen and treffen verbs. This lesson is about the dative sentences, how to use the dative articles and prepositions in the dative sentences. The first topic is about these places. Here I have given in the tabular form the masculine, feminine and neutral nouns. First one is Bahnhof, means railway station. Blumenladen is flower shop. Blumen means flowers and Laden means shop. Park is same in German, that is park. Then Telefonzelle means telephone booth. Eisdiele means ice cream parlor. Ice means ice cream and Eisdiele is ice cream parlor. Ampel means traffic signal, the signal that you see on the road. Then bus halt testily is bus stop. Kirche means church. Post office is post. Bank is bank and shop is Laden. Then city is same in German. Then neutral verbs. Kino means movie theater, cinema theater. Auto means automobile, car. Cafe is coffee shop. Museum is same, museum. Kieskraft means the business place where it happens, like mall. Hotel is same, hotel, and restaurant is same, restaurant. Now first you have to learn in the nominative case, and this lesson is about the dative sentences, that is the dative verbs and how to use the dative use the prepositions in the dative sentences. Now first learn about, basically you will learn about the nominative case and then you will use the same for the dative, but the articles will change here. For nominative masculine it is der and dative masculine it is dem. For feminine it is die for nominative and der for dative. For nominative it is das for neutral and dem for dative neutral. So first you know that for nominative is der, the, das, but in dative it is them, der, them. And when it comes to plural, for nominative it is the, and for plural in dative it is den, den, den. Okay, so them, der, them, den will come in dative. So you have to use these articles for these dative sentences, and these are the whole places. Next, verbs and prepositions here. The verbs you will learn in this lesson are ist, steht and sit. Ist means is, steht means stand, sits means sit. Now here the German prepositions are war means before. In is, for in and on to we will use in. For on and to you will use an. For beside or next to you will use neben. Behind is hinter. Suppose the cup is on the table, the boy sat next to the table, or the tree is behind the house. These are the prepositions in English, and this war, in, and, neben, hinter are the prepositions in German, and you will use these verbs and prepositions in the sentences. Now how will the question type be means? First one type is wo means where. So where is Tina? Where is Tina sitting? Where is Tina standing? This type the questions will be there. Then or else it will be like who is sitting in the cafe, or who is standing in the hotel, or who is standing at the bus stop. So for this who we will use where in German and wo in German for where. Next, here are the example sentences. First, you have already learned these places like which comes in a masculine, feminine and neutral. Now you have to use these articles of dative, that is them, their, them here, and here I place the verbs and here the prepositions. I placed all at one place so that you will observe these and make the sentences. Now, wo ist Tina means where is Tina? Tina is in cafe. It means Tina is in the cafe. Here, cafe is neutral noun. If you see here, cafe, coffee shop, it's neutral noun. So then we have to use it. So Tina is in them cafe. So instead of in them, we will use in. You can say both. That is, Tina is in them cafe. You can say, or you can say as Tina is in cafe. You can say anyone. You can say. Okay. So instead of in them, you will use in for the dative sentence. So, wer steht neben dem Auto means who is standing next to, beside to the auto or next to the auto. Auto means car. So, who is standing next to the car? Stefan steht neben dem Auto. It is Stefan is standing next to the auto. Here, auto is neutral noun. That is why dem is used. Stefan steht neben dem Auto means Stephen is standing next to the car. Wo sits Tina? So this means where is Tina sitting? Tina sits an der Kirche means Tina is sitting at the church. An means at, to, on. So Kirche is again feminine noun here if you see. So the is neutral. Nominative and der is dative. So der Kirche will be used. So Tina sits and der Kirche means Tina is sitting at the church. Products. Now here few of the products were introduced in this lesson. They are Kuchen means cake, salad is salad, Kasse means cheese, computer is same computer. Kleidung means dress, clothes. Blumenstrasse means flower bouquet. Blumen means flower, Strasse means bouquet. Brot is bread, handy is phone, Buch is book. And here the plural nouns. Bananen means bananas, Brustaschen means sauces, Shushe shoes, Buch is book and Bucher means books. Air means eggs, jeans is jeans, Pommes frites means this French fries. So this is how the masculine, feminine, neutral, plural nouns, they come under those and you use the dative articles with these nouns. Now, where the places to buy these products are, the names of these places are, you will learn here. The supermarket is supermarket, but if you observe the spelling, there is no E in the German, that is supermarket is supermarkt. It is a single word. And bioladen means health stores. Media market means electronics market, where you get all these electronic items like charger, mobile, laptops, all this. Media market is called as electronics market. Then here bakery means bakery. Konditorei is pastry shop. Now what is konditorei means only cakes will be available, only pastries. Bakery means you will get these sandwiches, burgers, pastries, all you will kind of snacks you will get in bakery. So that is called as bakery. And konditorei is pastry shop. Metzgerei is meat shop. Kleider boutique is boutique. This is Kleider means you learned, that is clothes, dress, boutique. Then Buchhandlung is bookstore. Apotheke is medical store. Platz is plaza. Here apotheke is medical store, that is pharmacy, and bioladen means all this kind of supplements, health supplements store. That is you will get the proteins, vitamins, all this health supplements you will buy in the health store. Then for the neutral nouns, Gemüse Gießkaft means vegetable store. Gemüse means vegetables. So Gießkaft is store again. Gemüse Gießkaft means vegetable store. Kaufhaus is departmental stores. Shopping Zentrum is shopping mall. Okay, these are the neutral nouns. So when you use these nouns, suppose if you use media market, it is masculine, so you say as them media market, the media market. If you want to use the medical store, that is in German is Apotheke, and in the dative sentences you will ask the article as der Apotheke, that is the medical stores. So this way the articles will be used in the dative case, and these are the places. Now let's see few example sentences how to use these places. So wo kauft man das means where does one buy that. Man means here one, and this is the third person, that is er sie as man comes in the third person, right? So that is this here. So the man conjugation for kaufen is kauft. So wo kauft man das means where does one buy that. Suppose that means it could be anything. Here is the example like bread, that is brought in German. So brought kauft man in dem Kaufhaus means one buys bread in the departmental stores. Kaufhaus is departmental stores. Instead of in them, you can use im. Okay, that is brought kauft man im Kaufhaus. It means also that one buys bread in the departmental stores. Bucher kauft man in der Buchhandlung. One buys, Bucher means here books, in the bookstores. Here Buchhandlung is a feminine noun, and that is a bookstore. So the article is der for that. Then Ops kauft man in dem supermarket. Ops means fruit, no? One buys fruit in the supermarket. And here are the prepositions for in dem combination. You will use im instead of in dem. You can use either in dem or im you can use in place of that. And if it is and them, you will use am. At the, it means you will use am. Next is the kaufen verb. Kaufen means to buy. Let's see its conjugation. For subject singular, ich kaufe, du informal kaufest, sie man kauft, sie formal kaufen. For subject plural, wir kaufen, ihr, this is informal kaufet, sie kaufen, and sie formal kaufen. This is the conjugation for kaufen, and this is regelmäßig, that is regular verb. Make your own sentences. Here I have given few example questions, and these are the answers for them, and how to use this kaufen verb, places and prepositions. So the first question is, where does one buy cell phone? So here the subject is one and the verb is buy. So here one is the subject, means what does it mean? Where does one buy cell phone? It means where does a man buy cell phone? It means like where does a person buy cell phone in general you're asking. Then this person comes under the third person, and that is the subject singular, and the third person conjugation for kaufen verb is kauft, and the cell phone is handy in German, and the question here is where, that is wo. So where does one buy cell phone means wo kauft man handy. Wo kauft man handy. The answer is in electronics market, that is in media market. Where do you buy, what do you buy in the supermarket? Next, make your own sentences. Here I have given few example sentences, the questions, and these are the answers. How to use the kaufen verb and make the questions. So where does one buy cell phone? In general you're asking that where does a person buy cell phone, and this person comes into the subject singular, and the verb here is buy, that is kaufen, and the third person conjugation is kauft. Cell phone is handy in German, and the question here where means wo. So where does one buy cell phone becomes wo kauft man handy. In electronic market, that is in media market. Second question, what do you buy in supermarket? So here buy, that is kaufen is the verb, and supermarket is same in German also, and here the subject is you. So the conjugation for you becomes kauft. The question is what, that is was. So what do you buy in the supermarket means was kauft you im Supermarket. You can say I am im or in der supermarket. And here answer is X, that is I. The third one is, where does one buy medicines? Again here you are asking, where does a person buy medicines? Here medicines means medicamente. And the question here is where, that is wo kauft man medicamente. In the pharmacy is the answer, that is in der Apotheke. Here pharmacy is Apotheke and it is the feminine noun. Here the questions will be in the nominative case and the answers will be in the dative case. So where is the departmental stores located? Where is the departmental stores located? Here located means legate. And the question is where, that is wo. What is the departmental stores? This departmental stores is called Kaufhaus and it is the neutral noun. So where is the departmental stores located becomes as wo legate das Kaufhaus. It is behind the church. You can say it as es legate hinter der Kirche. Behind is the preposition and it is hinter and the church is der Kirche. Fifth one, where is the post office here? And here post office is Post in German and here becomes hier. And the question is where, that is wo. So where is the post office here means wo is hier der Post. The answer is, you can write here the address that in which street it is, and suppose if you use the preposition then next to the cinema, that is neben dem Kino. Kino means movie theater, no? So the last one, what do you find there? So what do you find there means find is the verb and here the subject is you. So the conjugation for you is findest. And the question is what? That is where was. So what do you find there means was findest you. Here there becomes da, die da. So was findest you da means cake shop, that is konditorei. So this is how you will use the kaufen verb and make the questions. Here I have given that, so you can follow this. Wissen verb. Wissen verb means to know. Suppose if you want to ask the address to a stranger that do you know where the bank is or do you know where the post office is, then we will use the wissen verb. Or if you want to say that you know some address, like I know where the ice cream parlor is, I know where the railway station is. That knowing we will use the wissen verb in German. Let's see its conjugation. For subject singular, ich weiß, du weißt, sie es weiß, sie formal wissen. For subject plural, wir wissen, ihr weiß, sie wissen, sie formal wissen. And wissen is a regular verb. Now let's see few example sentences how to use this wissen verb. First one, Tina weißt du wo die Eisdiele liegt? So here the subject is Tina and but you are asking do you know. So do you know, the du conjugation is weiß. So Tina weißt du means Tina do you know wo die Eisdiele liegt, where the ice cream parlor is located. Then she said, ja, natürlich, weiß ich das. It means yes. Natürlich means obviously or of course. Weiß ich das means I know that. The Eisdiele liegt in der Franzstraße hinter der Kirche. It means the Eisdiele liegt, the ice cream parlor is located in der Franzstraße, in the Franz Street. Straße means street. In der Franz Street, hinter der Kirche, behind the church. She gave the address of this ice cream parlor. The second one, wissen Sie wo der Apotheke liegt? Means wissen Sie. S is capital letter here, that is formal use. So the conjugation for it is wissen. So wissen Sie means do you know wo der Apotheke liegt? Where is the pharmacy located? Weiß ist das? I know that. Liegt vor dem Kaufhaus. It is located before the departmental stores. Here Kaufhaus means departmental stores and it is neutral noun. So them Kaufhaus means the departmental stores. The third one, weiß wo the post is. So does he know? Means here he know. So conjugation is weiß. So Weiß means does he know? Wo die Post ist, where the post office is. Nein, weiß nicht. No, he doesn't know wo the post is, where the post is. So, nein, weiß nicht wo the post is means no, he doesn't know where the post office is. Here, post means in German, it is for post office, it is post in German. So, I hope you understood about this wissen verb and how to use it in the sentences. Now, treffen verb. Treffen verb means to meet, that is meeting someone. So I'll explain this with an example. Suppose I say a sentence like, I meet Tina in the coffee shop. So I am the subject and I'm meeting Tina in the coffee shop. It means that Tina is also meeting me in the coffee shop. That is, we are meeting each other. There is an action being reciprocating by Tina that she is also meeting me in the coffee shop. So this reciprocating action is known as reflexive action, and for this reflexive action, reflexive verbs are used. In German, there are many reflexive verbs, and one such reflexive verb is the treffen verb. And the treffen verb is used for meeting, and its conjugation is like this. The structure is like treffen is used with the accusative format, that is the accusative format of the subject with whom we are meeting. Here is the conjugation. For ich, it is treffe mich. For you, it is trifft dich, because we are using the accusative format. But here, if you observe for ihr, cs, it is trifft sich. For sie formal and sie, that is they, it is treffen sich. And for wir, it is treffen uns. So, for example, if I say ich treffe mich means I meet, wir treffen uns means we meet, sie treffen sich means they meet. So here are few more examples. Wo treffen wir uns means where do we meet? Here if you observe the table, during these questions, then you will understand more better how to use this treffen conjugation. So wo treffen wir uns means where do we meet? Here if you observe the table, for wir it is treffen uns, no, wir treffen uns. The answer is wir treffen uns in der Eisdiele. It means we meet in the ice cream parlor. So, wo trifft sich Stefan? Where does Stefan meet? Stefan means here, no? So, for here it is trifft sich. So, wo trifft sich Stefan means where does Stefan meet? Here, trifft sich in museum means he meets in the museum. Third one, wo und wann sieht sich Stefan? Wo und wann means where and when do you meet? Here, S is capital letter, that is formal you. So, wo und wann sieht sich Stefan means where and when do you meet? Morgen in der Schule, morning in the school. Last one, wo triffst du dich? Where do you meet? Ich treffe dich in der Kirche. I meet you in the church. Here, if you observe the answer, instead of ich treffe mich, the mich will be replaced with dich, because this is the accusative format of the person with whom we are meeting. So, ich treffe dich, because dich is the accusative format of you, no? So, ich treffe dich in der Kirche means I meet you in the church. So, this is about the grammar part of this part 1 video of Wo ist Tina. If this video helped you, please like, share and comment our video. If you have not yet subscribed to our Super German Academy channel, please subscribe to our channel, and if you want to watch more such videos, hit the bell icon to get further notifications of other videos. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.